Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel! Yay! We are here in Maldives! Okay, it's our first day and this is our first excursion. We are at the Turtle Reef. Been here 3 times. Hi! Oh, tingnan mo yung dagat. Yun, oh. And of course, the star is here. Cami, do you like the boat? Yeah. Remember last night you were crying, but now you love it already? Yes. We are all set. Bye. Charing.
Bye, mommy. See you later.
Mommy, see me. Mommy, see me.
Oh my God. Nangyari dyan, friend. We are in, say it again.
Fulidu.
We're in Fulidu. It's a local island. That's why we have to call her up. Cami, you wanna eat? Oops. She loves to swing. Whee! And this is our view. There. We're eating. Oh my goodness, you're so cute! Say hi, Cami. Look at Cami. She's super ready for the intense sun. Can I see? Wow! Ganda dito, friend. Oh my God. Yay!
Where's the wave?
Yay!
Yay! Pero marami pang ibang lugar eh.
Daddy duties! Ano ba? Daddy duties. This is a local island, but look at it. It's so nice. Walang resort to best. That's the shipwreck. We are here at the shipwreck excursion Choo-Choo Eklat in the Maldives, and I'm going in. Hi. Thank you. I mean, they're going up now. There. Kami dolphin. So we are at our last stop and we are here at the sandbank. On the way here, we saw some dolphins and Kami was so happy. Kami, did you like the dolphins? What were they doing? Splashing. Yeah, and swimming. Yeah. Teka, ang ingay ng seaplane. Di ba pala yun yung last stop namin kanina? This is our last stop, the shark point. So we're gonna snorkel and say hi to the sharks. This is my baby shark. Hi, baby shark! Day 2 here in the Maldives, and we are in Embudu village. I'm not sure what's in here. I'm gonna have to look around and explore and search it sa internet. Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. Yesterday was so tiring, but swimming with the sharks was so cool. Wala siya sa bucket list ko, pero nung nagawa ko na, oh my God. My number one tip if you're going to the Maldives is to set one day na mag-excursion ka talaga. Yung hindi ka lang mag-stay sa resort nyo. You should really explore the reefs, the shark points, and everything, the shipwreck. Oh my gosh. Para kumpleto ang Maldives experience nyo, di ba? So all morning we just stayed at the beach, you know, lounging by the beach. Now we're gonna eat lunch and eat a lot kasi buffet. Lalaban tayo dito. Sana masarap ang food. Cami loves these olives.
Mas mukha dito. Kung bakit ba ganun?
Go home.
Show the crab.
Where?
Wala mo.
Wala naman eh. Ayun, show the shark. There oh. Bye, sharkies.
Oh, it's a shark. Baby shark. A hero.
Baby shark.
I remember sa ano dati?
Baby shark.
Yan pala yung ano.
Black tip shark.
Oh my God, ang dami, love.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh wow.
wow.
Sobra yan. One of my favorite resorts here in the Maldives. We're back! Our first time here was 2 years ago, but it still is really beautiful. Shit! I'm so happy to be back! Cami, you love swimming? Yeah. Wow! Wow, would you look at that view? So from Anantara Digo, we are sailing across the sea to Anantara Valley. Kids are not allowed in Anantara Valley, but we're only going to the restaurant, so it should be fine. Siya dyan, ano? Cami, it has glass. You won't fall. See? Yeah, you wanna step on it? Look, you know, Miles, step on it. Step also. Oh, wow! Oh my God, she's just like her mom. Lobsters! You're gonna eat that.
What was that? It's lobsters, Cami.
Okay. So we are trying this appetizer na hindi namin alam kung ano. Nilalagay lang namin lahat ng nandito sa isang dahon. Let's see.
Ano to? Ano to? Sarap. Wait, may balat pa talaga yun. Pag kinain. Sarap, no?
Ano siya trip?
Hindi mo siya trip. Free na yung
Fully diesel yan.
Diesel,
right?
All Who Valley Resort and we are off to a bad start.
Tsaka yung una, ang tawag sa yung nag-introduce, sobrang sungit niya. Sobrang bis magsalita. Tapos pag nagtanong ka, parang paparahin ka.
Oo, babarim ko. Asaf naman na maiintindihan mo agad yung accent niya. And then, when we got here to the restaurant, we asked if we can change our table to the table over there where the playground is. Uy, pasta daw. Pero girl, ayaw pumayag kasi daw naayos na daw nila to. Itong table na to. Hello, nakaayos naman sila lahat dito, friend. Kaloka. So, eto, ikakain ko na lang sana kasi hindi naman ganun kasarap yung food. So, bad trip na yung utak ko. But, I'm gonna give them a chance. Let's see how the day turns out. May 2 days kami dito, so let's see if they will redeem themselves. Ano, kamusta ka? Bibi siya. So guys, this is where we wanted to transfer. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa ring tao. Tapos na kaming kumain. What the fuck? Right? So crazy. Buti na lang may dragon fruit, kaya medyo nag-GB na ako ulit. Oh well, baka masama lang ang gising nila ngayong araw na to, kaya patawarin na natin sila. Trek! Let's just eat and be happy! Cami had a quick nap, but now we are gonna explore the island of Olhu Valley. Ah, why? You're happy? Cami's going to swim, but maybe let's move there because ang daming seaweed. Marami silang staff na mabait naman, pero marami rin silang mga kuryumao. Sa dami ng resort na pinuntahan ko sa Maldives, sa 3 beses kong pampunta dito, parang ito lang yung napuntahan ko ng daming kuryumao. Like lahat ng mga friends ko, iritang-irita. Pero yun nga, okay rin siya kasi marami siyang inclusive, like jet skis, spa, food. Ang catch nga lang is kailangan mong magpabook day before na gusto mo i-avail yung mga yun kasi maraming nakapila. But if you're going to the Maldives, I really would recommend for you to go to Holiday Inn Kanduma or Anantara. I recommend Holiday Inn Kanduma if you have children kasi sobrang priority nila yung mga bagets doon. Tapos yung Anantara because that's just some next level shit. Yeah, babe. As in, hindi makatao yung ganda niya. As in, wow. May kamahalan pero oh my gosh, worth it. And the food, number 1 sa Holiday Inn. I remember the crabs, babe. Sobrang sarap na favorite din ni Miles yun.
Ako yung breakfast.
Yeah, the breakfast for you. How about Cami? What did you like? Juice? Yeah, Cami loved everything. And if you're staying in Maldives for more than 2 days, I recommend you going to iba-ibang resorts. Maximum 2 days in 1 resort. That's my tip. Para pagsawaan mo na, tapos lipat ka ulit. Para sulit yung 8 hours na paglipad mo here. And by the way, we rode AirAsia. This is not sponsored. We paid for it. We paid for it. I think mga 20k yung price ng ticket, isang ticket. Si Cami libre, may 1.5 yata no, na bayad. Kasi she's below 2 pa. I think I said it before, pero I'm gonna say it again. Do some excursions, diba Don? Swimming with the sharks, the shipwreck, snorkeling. Oo, yung mga ganyan na ganap, sobrang saya niyan. Kaya push nyo yan. Kasi friendly yung mga sea animals dito, hindi daw sila nangangagat. I think wala namang nakagat sa amin sa mga pinagagawa namin. So I think okay naman. So the whole day today and the rest of the day tomorrow before we leave, I'm going to chill. No more videos, no more photos. I'm just gonna live in the moment. Charing. See you next time on my next vlog or my next video. I'm gonna see you guys. Love you. Bye. Thanks for watching.